Hi, today we are going to see about our institution's SNS RoadMap. The topics for discussions is given in this slide. The first slide represents from chaos to creation. The second slide contains the foundational discovery. The third slide contains building a strong culture. And the fourth one is sharpening the learner. Fifth one is the five pillar and well-being. Sixth one is the growth and innovation initiatives. Seventh one is the moving to the next stage, that is growth and innovation. And eighth one is ensuring industry readiness. Ninth one is the future, that is AI empowerment. Tenth one is the ultimate mission of our SNS institution. And the last one is the conclusion, a movement for excellence. The foundation, design thinking. SNS wanted to find a smarter, more logical way to solve problems. Our search tool, it took some of the best innovation centers in the world, like Stanford's Design School and IDEO. And that's where discovered something life-changing, that is design thinking. Now, design thinking is not just a fancy word. It's a way of solving problems by putting people first, by understanding what they need, imagining creative ideas, and testing what actually works. For SNS, this became the foundation, the starting point for everything they do. The 3P culture, driving change. But having one great idea is not enough. To really make change happen, you need a strong culture, a way of thinking and working that everyone follows. So SNS built what they call the 3P culture: purpose, process, and people. Purpose means knowing why you are doing something. Process means having a clear method, in this case, design thinking. And people are at the heart of it, those who bring energy, creativity, and commitment. The 3C framework. SNS also created the 3C framework: attitude, logic, and technique to help shape every learner. Because at SNS, it is believed that success does not come from talent alone. It comes from the right attitude, clear thinking, and strong skills. Five pillars of SNS. To support this culture, SNS built five pillars, that is CLT, CFC, IIPC, SED, and SRI, for upskilling, innovation, network, and well-being, all connected through something they call SPINE, which focuses on health, hobbies, and sports. So growth at SNS is not just about books and exams, it's about becoming well-rounded individuals. Moving to the next stage. Once this foundation was strong, SNS moved to the next stage, growth and innovation. They started 7 plus 7 innovation industry verticals where students explore 15 different industries. SNS also launched GenAI enablement, helping students learn artificial intelligence through real project challenges, certified talents, and measurable progress. SNS also believes that learning should lead to something real. So they focuses on certified talents in fields like IT, business, engineering, and health. That means when students graduate, they are truly industry ready. But how do they manage all this progress? Through smart OKR goals, a system that helps set clear, measurable targets, and they even make it fun with gamification, turning goals into exciting challenges. AI as empowerment. And then comes the future: AI, artificial intelligence. SNS does not see AI as something that replaces people, but as something that empowers them. Imagine AI that helps design your personal learning plan, builds custom tests for you, or brings you real problems from global startups to solve. That exactly what SNS is doing. The 10-year plan, creating the future. All these steps leads to one powerful mission, that is to create 1,000 AI startups in 10 years. That's not just a dream, it's a plan in action. Creating the future. SNS has turned frustration into innovation, confusion into creativity, and learning into a movement for excellence. This journey shows that when we combine design thinking, AI, and a growth mindset, we can build not just successful students, but creators of the future.